Hi friends, today I will tell you about how to transform your best performing machine learning models into high achievers in 8 steps. So first step is we go by the language which is Python. We choose the dataset, either image or text or tabular dataset. For text dataset you have to do the pre-processing and get features. For image in tabular dataset, for image you can convert the image into pixels and flatten it and get the pictures. For tabular dataset, you have to convert the punhode encoded vectors. Otherwise, all the pictures should be numerical. Then we jump to step two. We split the dataset into train and test. Then we find the accuracy of all models, available models, by performing inference on split dataset. We choose the best performing model name by sorting them according to lowest accuracy first. So I think on how to increase the accuracy of the best performing models in the lowest possible time complexity in the lowest possible time complexity. So I selected the models which are below certain accuracy threshold, say 90%. Then I applied Bayesian optimization approach using the P method, tree Partial estimator. I created a mapping between all models and available Bayesian models. Then I did the hypothesis testing. That is, I check if the accuracy of the Bayesian model, if available from the mapping, is less than set accuracy threshold, which in this case is 90%. If it is, I run the Bayesian inference prediction, obtain a model which has possibly higher accuracy. Then I compare the accuracy of best performing models and accuracy of Bayesian model. And if we see if there is an improvement in Bayesian optimization, we store the model into our results. So first of all I am importing the dataset classifier and performance metrics. Dataset I am taking digits dataset from MNIST. I am finding the available Bayesian classifier. These are the list of available Bayesian classifier. Then I am doing the Lazy classifier, Lazy evaluation on all of the models and finding the accuracy of each model. You can see support vector classifier is the base one with a 0.95, but AWS classifier only has accuracy of 0.28, XRT classifier only has accuracy of 0.76, and other metrics like F1 score is also there. So I created a mapping with the Bayesian models and all these classifier. First, we have to show the model and score according to the score. So we will get this list with the lowest score and the first value in the list. Then I created a mapping between the Bayesian classifier, available Bayesian classifier, and the scikit-learn classifier, which I got from Lazypredict function, Lazypredict package. Then I check the if the classifier is not none, that means it is available, and if the accuracy is less than 0.9, I am trying to improve the accuracy of this first performing model by running tree Partial estimator uh, using Bayesian approach. Then if we, and I am running in exception handling. Suppose if the model is not algorithm is not able to train the model and throw an error, I am passing it in except and continue. And then you can see that AWS classifier we can see it's a first performing model. So after Bayesian approach, I got 81% on this. Previously I got AWS classifier 28% only. So I am able to convert it 28% to 81%. And similarly, you can see extra trees classifier is somewhat around 75%, 76%. So I am getting now accuracy 93%. So using Bayesian approach, we can get a higher accuracy or lower accuracy depending upon that. We compare the accuracy of the existing best performing model And if it is higher, then we store it in our results and show it to our client. So you can see 94% on quadratic discriminant analysis, which is very good. Previously it was below 90%. So now it is 94%. So this is it, friends. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel.